Hello, welcome back to AmbiV. I'm Casper, and today we're cleaning a K&N Air Filter. Today I will be using an actual K&N recharge kit. The two components in this kit are a cleaning solution and an oil replacement. The way the K&N filter works is the filter material is soaked in oil, and that is what works for the filtering of small particles. If you don't have an oil replacement on your filter, it really doesn't do much. So the first stage of this kit is to use the cleaning material to strip away the old oil and all the dirt and particulates that are stuck to it, and then replace it in the second stage with the spray-on oil. So let's go ahead and get to it and start cleaning this up. All right, to begin with, I will start by using this cleaning agent to strip away the old oil and some of the dirt. I'm using this plastic to catch whatever this cleaning agent is because it's probably really bad for you. Based on the smell, it's some sort of degreaser. I'm guessing something fairly similar to crud cutter. Oh, by the way, you shouldn't be smelling it. Now that the filter has been doused, I will give it a few moments to sit here before I take it outside and wash it off with the hose. Now we have a clean air filter. I rinsed it off and just left it outside to dry. It's still actually really hot because it's hot outside, but it's completely dry. And as you may or may not be able to tell, depending on the lighting, it's a lot less red than it was. In fact, it's almost white in most places. You could probably wash it again and get more of the old oil out. I'm not that concerned. This filter isn't that old. It just got extremely dusty, so it's not so much of an aged oil thing. So the next phase is to re-add the oil. We'll do that by setting the cone filter up and spraying it with the oil until it looks pretty uniformly red, especially the top of each pleat in the filter. Then allow it to sit for 20 minutes as the oil's wicked throughout the filter, then check for uniformity. If needed, touch it up. So let's get to it. Okay, now that there's an abundance of oil all over this filter, I will let it sit here for 20 minutes and wick throughout the filter and then come back to check on it. Now that 20 minutes has passed, I'm just wiping up some of the extra oil that got onto the plastic and rubber bits here just to make it easier to handle. But the filter seems to have a nice uniform redness to it. The oil distributed nicely through the filaments, so I believe it's ready to go back on the car. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.